if find doesn't manage to retrieve an element on the array, like this case, there are no players with a score of 99 plus, it will return undefined. That could be controversial because, for instance, in that particular case, if I try to access any player with a score of at least 90, it works fine. It was fine. But if I try to access a player with a score of at least 99, it throws an error. Why it throws an error? Because find will return undefined. Then the value of good player will be undefined. Then on line number 4, we'll try to do undefined dot property, which is illegal in JavaScript. So the dot notation makes sense when we deal with objects, but undefined is not an object, strictly speaking. It's just nothing, right? That's why it fails. So what happens if we have that scenario? I mean, that's a valid scenario, right? For example, you are in a website and you want to search something, but unfortunately there are no results. We don't want to get an ugly technical error. We want at least to get a friendly message. Sorry, there are no results matching your criteria, right? We can do something like that in JavaScript. So how can we check the value of good players? Well, we can do simply if good player. If good player equals undefined, then return, sorry, we don't have any player with that score yet. And then else we can return the name of the player. So let's try again. Now if we set the score to 90, it should return Ben, correct. But if the score is 99, it should return the error, correct, which is at least better. It's more descriptive, it's more useful for the user, right? Let's pay attention to the if condition. If good players equals undefined. In reality, we want to check if good player exists or not. So if we do that, if good player, that means that there is something on it, then we can reverse the condition. So if I have anything, and I will assume this is an object, in the good player, then return the name. If I have nothing in good player, then return an error. So that should return the friendly error, and if it can return something, it will return the player name. And finally, of course, we can use a ternary operator to simplify this if-else condition. So we can do return good player. If I have the good player, then return the name. Otherwise, return the friendly message. So now, if the score is 90, it should return Ben. If the score is 99, it should return the error.